Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making marry me chicken and ravioli. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 9 ounces of frozen cheese ravioli, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of chicken broth, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1/3 cup of sun-dried tomatoes, 1/2 cup of shredded parmesan cheese, 3 chicken breasts cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning divided, 1/2 teaspoon of basil, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. I also have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I have another tablespoon of olive oil. In a small bowl, I'm going to add in my chili powder, my garlic powder, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, my adobo all-purpose seasoning, and also my ground black pepper. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Next, we're going to get our chicken breast and we're going to sprinkle our seasoning into it. Now we're just going to mix until it's well combined. Now to a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. You want your heat to be on medium, so now we're just going to add in our chicken breast. Okay, now we're going to let our chicken breast cook, and guys, you may have to do it in 2 batches. Okay guys, our chicken is almost done, our first batch. It takes about 10 minutes. Okay guys, my first batch is done, so I'm going to begin to remove it from the pan. Okay guys, now I'm going to add in my second batch. The second batch is cooking up nicely. Okay, so our chicken is done. I'm just going to turn off the heat for a second, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to remove it. Now to a pot of boiling water, I'm going to add in my cheese ravioli, and we're going to let it cook for 4.5 minutes. Okay, now I put my heat back on medium. In the same pan, I'm going to add in my minced garlic and also my sun-dried tomatoes, and we're going to saute that for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. If you need to add more olive oil in your pan, you can. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil. I'm going to add in my crushed red pepper flakes, my Italian seasoning, and also my chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Now I'm going to add in my 2 cups of heavy cream. Mix until well combined, and we're going to let it come up to a simmer. Okay guys, you can give it a taste. If you need to add anything else, you can now. So we're going to let it simmer 3 to 4 minutes. Okay guys, once your ravioli are done cooking, you can go ahead and drain them and set them to the side. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our shredded Parmesan cheese. Just want to mix it until it's all melted. Once it's melted, we're going to add in our chicken breast. You want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you can add in the ravioli. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. You can let it continue cooking for about 2 minutes until the sauce thickens up. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of my basil over top. And here we have it. Marry me chicken and ravioli. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?